All right, I'm really just putting in questions from Unit 8 just to kind of expose you to them. Again, there's not going to be any test on this. So this is just reminding you of the names of different shapes. So you have the trapezoid here. The trapezoid, which has two parallel lines. These two lines are parallel, the other ones are not. You have a rectangle, which these two sides are the same. These two are the same, and rectangles also have right angles or 90-degree angles. Isosceles trapezoid. Trapezoid has two sides the same, but the other ones are also similar angles. So isosceles is when the other two sides are the same. This side is not the same as this one. In this isosceles trapezoid, they are the same. A square, you know, four sides the same and all right angles. A rhombus, all four sides are the same length. So sometimes a rhombus is a square, but it can be turned upside down, and sometimes the angles can be a little bit different as well. Parallelogram means the opposite sides are parallel. This side 1 is parallel to side 2. Side A is parallel to side B. Then you have a kite, which kind of looks like a diamond. You've got like two shorter sides and two longer sides. So these two sides are the same, and these two sides are the same. On the next slides, it's just something similar. You might not be able to read all of the writing. That's okay, it was just the best picture that I could find. So you have equilateral triangles. You're not going to see them today, but I wanted to just remind you the names. Isosceles triangles. Quadrilaterals, a shape with four straight sides. Rectangles, it's quadrilateral with right angles and opposite sides. Squares, parallelograms, trapezium or trapezoids, rhombus, kite, and just other 2D shapes like a rectangular hexagon has six sides. Using those, which of the following describe the shape to the right? Circle all that apply. This, it has four sides. Four sides is a quadrilateral. Now, is it a trapezoid? A trapezoid, the definition is it has to have at least one set of parallel lines. So these two lines are parallel. So that would indicate that it is a trapezoid. However, there are some core curriculums in some places that say you can only have one set of parallel lines because these other lines, the ones I'm putting in red, are also parallel. Some people would say this makes it not a trapezoid. In California, with our curriculum, we're generally saying it is. So this one could be confusing. But generally speaking, we're saying yes, it is trapezoid. Is it a parallelogram? Yes, because the top and bottom are parallel, and then let's say size A and B are also parallel, so it is a parallelogram. Is it a rectangle? No, because it does not have right angles. It does not have right angles, so it is not a parallelogram.